basically the first thing you need to know is what is a y-intercept. So this is your equation for when you're making a linear line on a graph. So I'm just made the graph, and then I put a line through it. And when B means your y-intercept. When you have a line on the graph, whatever's crossing onto the y-intercept, that is your y-intercept. So here, this little dot, whatever's crossing on, that would be the y-intercept. What? Your pair. What? Okay, go! Holy fuck. Anyways, so now you know that. Now what is a slope? Your slope is the m on your equation. So you should be writing this down probably. So yeah, a slope is basically just like rise over run, blah, blah, blah. So I can't really show you much about that. Actually, I can show you. So if this was your graph and it's asking you to graph it like you said, how you don't understand, and it's saying like this is the thing, this is the slope, and this is the y. So if that's your slope and this is your y-intercept, let's just pretend this is 1, 2, 4. Okay, so y-intercept, remember I said, is wherever the graph begins, or wherever it crosses. So you want to start at -4. Then you have 2 over 3, which means rise over run. So as you can see, it's rising up 2. 1, 2. It's going over 3. 1, 2, 3. And then you basically keep going. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And you keep going until you get a line, and you can draw it. And that's it. Now, what is perpendicular? Perpendicular is when you have, so let's say you have y equals -5x plus 2. And they're asking for a perpendicular slope to this. Perpendicular would be this flipped around. So when you have this in your equation, it would be over 1. If it's just a number by itself, it's automatically over 1. That's your fraction. So when something's perpendicular, it means that it's flipped. So this would come over here. So now your new line would be y equals 1 over 5x plus 2. And you put your negative there. And that's how you would get something perpendicular. And then for parallel, it would be, so like if you had y equals, we'll do the same thing, plus 2. Parallel, if it's asking for a parallel line to this, it would literally be the same thing. So yeah, because parallel is the same basically. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, now on to the actual word. Okay, so this is your question thingy-majigger. So get that out. And now it's asking, determine the equation of each of the lines described below. So they want you to make one of these equations, y equals mx plus b. So this is your first question. They want you to find a line parallel to y equals -5x plus 1 with a y-intercept of -3. So they're basically asking you to find an equation that matches this formula. So they already gave you everything. So remember how I told you parallel means the same? They're literally giving you the exact same thing, but with a different y-intercept. The y-intercept for this equation is 1. They want you to put a 3 instead. So now you just have to rewrite it. Y equals -5x minus 3. And that's all. And now for this one, a line with a slope of 5 over 6 and a y-intercept of 2, asking you to just write it out like this. So y equals mx plus b. That's what you know. And now this is your new equation. Y equals your slope. They want your slope. So they have 5 over 6. So y equals 5 over 6 plus 2. That's your y-intercept. That's all you're doing. So this is your answer for this one, your answer for this one. Now they want you to do a line with a slope of -1 over 2 that passes through the point for -3. So, 1 second. Okay, so a line with a slope of -1 over 2 that passes through the point for -3. So you're always going to start off answering your question by putting y equals mx plus b, your formula, so that you know it. And then you know that this 4 is your x and this is your y, because that's your points on the graph. So now all you have to do is sub it in. So you have y. What's y? -3. So you're going to put -3 equals m, which is your slope, -1 over 2. 1 over 2 x plus, oh shit, you want to multiply this by your 4, because that's your x when you're subbing it in. And then plus b. I know that looks shitty, but you get the gist. So now, you're going to do -3 equals, what's -1 over 2 times 4? I don't know the answer. Okay, but I don't know where my calculator went. So whatever negative 1 over 2 times 4 is, you will put it here. So let's just pretend it's negative 2 plus b. Now you want to get b by itself because you want to know the y-intercept so that you can make your equation, which is what they're asking you to do. So since in this case it's a negative 2, which it isn't really, I just don't know the answer. So now you want to bring that over to this side with your negative 3. So now you rewrite it. Negative 3 plus 2, because when something goes across an equal sign, it automatically changes the sign in front of it. And then equals b. Now b is by itself. So now you're going to do negative 3 plus 2, which is 1. So 1 equals b. Now you have your y-intercept, and you have your slope, and you're just going to rewrite it. Y equals negative 1 over 2 x plus 1. And that would be your answer. Bitch, the ice cream truck is here. The ice cream truck is here. Okay, so for this one, they're asking you to find a line that passes through the points 420 and negative 2, 2. So for this, you would use the formula, which is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which that's going to give us the slope so that we can make our equation, because the slope will help us find the y-intercept, which you'll see in a second. So first, you want to show yourself that this is x, this is y, right? And this is x, and this is y. So you have 2 x's, 2 y's, and you want to show that too. So this is x1, this is x1, x2, x2. Now, all you have to do, sub them into your equation. So m equals y2, where's your y2? Which is a 2. Minus, where's your y1? 20. Now you're going to put that division sign. Where's your x2? Negative 2. And then where's your x1? It's a 4, so minus 4. Now you're going to bring that down again. And I also don't know how to do that in my head, so I will be back. Okay, I'm back. So now you're going to do what's on the top and then what's on the bottom. So what's 2 minus 20? That's going to give you negative 18. Keep that division symbol. What's negative 2 minus 4? That's going to give you negative 6. Now you have your two numbers, so what you're going to do is divide them. 18 divided by 6 is 3, because a negative and a negative make a positive. So that's your slope. So now that you know your slope, you're going to do this. You're going to put y equals mx plus b. And you have 2 different points, right? So now you're going to choose one of those points to do this part with. You can literally choose any. So I'm just going to choose like this one because it has less bigger numbers. So now you're going to sub them in. 2 equals, because this is your 2 over here, your y, whatever. M, which is 3, times x, which would be negative 2, plus b, which we still don't know. That's what we're solving for. So 2 equals, what's 3 times 2? That's 6, and it would be a negative 6 because negative and positive make a negative, plus b. Now you're going to bring your 6 over here because you want b by itself, because that is what we're solving for. So it would be 2 plus 6 equals b. 2 plus 6 gives us 8, equals b. So now you have your slope and you have your y-intercept. So now you can make your equation equals m, which is 3, x plus 8. And that, my friend, is math.